Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Now today is the second day of the 2022. Happy New Year to everyone. And it's raining heavily outside here in Malaysia. But I'm going to show you an unboxing of Fujitsu CH-13. Now I don't see this laptop covered much in the internet, so I'll try to give you an overview of this laptop. And here we go. As you can see, this laptop is very small. The box is very small. And it uses Intel, and let's see here, if you can see here, it's made in China, even though it's a Fujitsu. So without further ado, let's open up this box and show you what's inside. Now here is the adapter, charging adapter. And as you can see, it's very small and uses a USB to charge, USB-C to charge. And if I look at it properly, it's a 65 watt adapter. I'm pretty sure they could have gone with 45 watt, but I think this is for fast charging because they say this laptop can charge to 100% within an hour. And here is the charging wire with the round here, and with the round adapter. I'm not a fan of this design because it's not really universal. But anyway, now it comes to the side of this video, the laptop itself. So we got this laptop at 2,900 on offer, 2 years on-site warranty with no any other free gifts. I think it's a very good deal, and you'll see later. So as you can see, this is the color, very nice color. It's also very small, very light. This is called the mocha brown. It only comes in this color, and the whole body is aluminum. And as you can see, there's a minimal logo here. I'm not sure if you can see on the screen, but it's very subtle, the Fujitsu logo with a very different texture. There you go. And this is a fingerprint magnet. And you can see it's very thin. At its thinnest point, it's only 8.8 millimeters thin, and I wouldn't say thick. And as you can see, it's very small. It's a 13.3-inch laptop, and here are the I/Os, the headphone jack combo, one HDMI output, USB-C that supports charging to other devices also. Here is another USB and another USB-C that supports charging as well. So as you can see, there's very little ports, which is the downside of this laptop, and you might need and once you use this for charging, you only have one USB-C left and a USB here left. So you might want to watch out if you want to consider this laptop. Here's the bottom, vents here, screws here, all aluminum, made in China again. So let's just open this up. I like the design, it's very elegant and minimalistic, and combined with the full aluminum body, I don't think you can find any laptop under 3,000 with all aluminum body. Here's the laptop itself. So as you can see, this supports Windows Hello. Yeah, the Fujitsu logo here. It's quite thin bezel. I like it. And here's the keyboard itself. Very good travel. Very nice to type on. It also has backlit, only white color, but it's understandable given its thinness. And also, if you can see, it actually dips down for the keyboard. I'm not sure the design philosophy here, but I'm supposed this is to cut down weight again. And here's the trackpad itself, quite small, give it a size, and here is it. Now the spec, this is Intel i5 1135G7, which comes with Intel Iris Xe. So this laptop is a very good laptop for students or doing some light works on documents, but definitely not for gaming, as this does not have discrete graphic card, only comes with an iGPU. And so the hinge is very good, and the screen does wobble a bit given the thickness. Let's just start it up and have a look and see how fast it starts. So as you can see, there's backlight here, Fujitsu logo here. Now this is a full HD display, 1920 by 1080, and it's an IPSO IPS display, which gives a very good color, and as you can see, and it starts out very fast because it comes with 512 GB of SSD and 8 GB of built-in DDR4 RAM. So that's the downside given the weight and the thickness, but overall this does feels very good to use. And so, however, it did not come with the Microsoft Office, but you can subscribe to it easily. So overall, this laptop has a 53 watt battery, which is very short. At best it could only last 4 to 6 hours, but I'm sure they have to sacrifice the battery size for the lightness and the weight and the thickness. But that is why they also gave 65 watt charging adapter instead of 45 watts to let you charge up faster. And actually, I think you can also buy a power bank to power this laptop, which is convenient enough. So it's advertised to be less than 1 kg, which is very impressive. And then let's try this out. So I have my weight balance here. I'm sure this works out. So it starts with 0 here, and now if we put it on here, let's see what it is like. It says 1 kg. So it's definitely less than 1 kg because this one does not go to the exact value here, but as advertised, this is 988 grams, which is very impressive. So it's really lightweight and very easy to carry around your bag. And once again, given the price and the build quality, I don't think you can find any other laptops that's as good as this in terms of build quality. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys again next time. And if you have any questions regarding this laptop, feel free to drop the comments down below and I'll try to answer to you. Bye. Editing video using this laptop.
Yay.